Right. Good morning. So this vlog or video vlog is going to be me hiking the 4,000 footers. And there's 48 of them. In fact, actually, there's a piece of paper somewhere around here. I bet it's downstairs on the fridge. This is the list of 4,000 footers, and it has them listed all. This is actually one of my housemates' lists that she put together. So it has all the different elevations, and then you actually just record the dates and times that you've done it. So that is kind of the list. Anyway. I don't even really know how I'm going to do this or how it's going to turn out. I kind of had an idea for this vlog, and it's kind of the idea that I host a bunch of people in my Airbnbs, and they're always asking where to go hike, what to do, what to see, and this is going to be kind of part of that. A good way for people to kind of like see what things are around here, but it's also incorporating it into the 4,000 footers. There's going to be some information about how to get to trailheads, how to hike, what to see, what to think about. This will kind of be an adventure. Yeah, it's a nice day out. It's going to be a little chillier up on the mountain, but as far as the temperature outside right now, this is pretty sweet. Always bring chocolate. I brought an extra SD card because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna run out of space. I had done some recording yesterday. Jefferson is a pretty, I guess the best way to describe it is an extreme hike. It's 2.4 miles, but it is all uphill. The hike itself is the highest trail point in the Whites. So if you're gonna go up Jefferson, you're probably already a hiker. All right, so to get to Jefferson, there's a few things. It's actually pretty easy. You're gonna take from Whitefield Route 3 south, and you're gonna follow Route 3 south all the way to Twin Mountain. And when you get to Twin Mountain, you're gonna take a left at the light, head to the Cog Road, the base station for the Cog Railroad. And just before you get to the Cog, there's gonna be a left-hand turn for Jefferson Notch Road. And the Jefferson Notch Road, almost at the very top, is where the trailhead is for, it's called Caps Ridge Trail. If you're missing your key for Lemos Mill Inn front door, it's at the Caps Ridge trailhead. Here, Caps Ridge Trail, and then right up to the top of Mount Jefferson. This little view that you get to on Jefferson is actually a pretty nice spot for just a short hike if you just want to hike up here to the rocks. It's on the trail, so you can't miss it. And it's a beautiful view. You can see the Mount Washington Hotel, you can see the bottom of the Cog, and you can see the top of Mount Washington, kind of. The towers are right there. This is actually a good spot to stop because you still have cell service here for the most part to get in touch with any of my Airbnb guests that are staying. Tonight I gotta let them know, check in instructions, and figure out roughly what time they're getting in. So right around noon is when I do that. Makes it easy.
Hey, how are you?
Oh, hey, how's it going?
Good.
Good. How's your day?
Done, almost.
Yeah? How was it up there?
Oh my God, it was awesome. It's like 1 in 100 days. It's a Prezi day.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Yeah, there's no wind. It was pure blue sky. So is
yeah.
this your first 4,000 footer?
Well, my first official. I've hiked this before. I've been up the mountains before.
Yep.
I've never kept
now
track.
You're starting to use the list.
Yeah.
You're in the same boat as me. I did so many when I was young, and then when I hit 60, I said I'm going to start this list.
Okay. All done. Time to go hike. I remember the last time I went on the Link Trail, I found it to be not well maintained at all. It doesn't look too bad right now, but there's a left-hand turn here and you do not take the Link Trail. Follow Caps Ridge. Stay on that for sure. Not far after the rock outcrop, things get very steep very quickly. We're already getting some views here. This may be one of the funner parts of Jefferson. It's kind of an uphill climb. Just watch your step. It's wet, so it's slippery. Can go around if there's an easier way. Look for it. A little bit off to the right. And then this way. .4 miles from the top, Jefferson Notro, to 2.1 to the bottom, 2.5, so maybe my math doesn't add up. But this is the Cornice. Cornice Trail goes off to the right over that way. And you can also take it off to the right over this way, and that'll take you over to Mount Clay, which I like to come down that way. I like to come down towards Clay, hop on the Cornice, and meet back up with this trail here. Just be sure to stay a little bit to the left so you can make it up Caps Ridge. We got 0.4 miles left. Wow, it is, what a gorgeous day. water. Kind of important to bring. I have one rule when it comes to water, is if I think about drinking, like if I think about water, I have to take a sip, at least a sip, maybe a little bit more. But it's one of the rules I kind of do when I'm hiking to keep hydrated. If I think, I drink. We are almost at the top, and then I can have some chocolate. Ooh, we got some rime ice. That's awesome. Right. Reaching the top. Jefferson. There's the button. What a gorgeous view. Don't even need my jacket. So that's Mount Jefferson. Beautiful day. Easy hike. Now I have to walk down. What are you doing for dinner tonight? Nachos. All right, I was gonna see if you wanted to go to the free house.
Oh yeah, I do.
All right. I'm gonna try vlogging with it.
Hi, how's everyone's day been? Can I have the menu? Time. 10 seconds. Yo, what's up? We're playing Among Us. Can they straight?
I know. Just spit on
I
me.
know, I saw. It was Coke. Did he bend or did he run away?
He ran away.
Are you sure it was purple?
Yeah.
Okay.
Respect the drip. Hi, this is Rob, and I just wanted to say thanks for watching. If I missed anything, make sure you add some comments down below, and I'll see you soon. Happy hiking.